Hi guys, oh my god, it's so warm here in Warrington, England. I am struggling with it, I will say.
You're moaning, it's lovely.
Yeah,
we never get this weather. No.
I whinge when it's cold, I whinge when it's hot. But whilst I've been in the garden trying to keep cool, Laura has been
messing around with glitters and pigments because I've been dying to try these moulds. So I've been mixing up some glitters and pigments and we're just going to have a little play around and see what happens. So I've mixed up to now our iridescent lavender glitter, which looks like this when it's been mixed in the resin. I love this colour.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's a nice iridescent lavender shade. And then I've got some of our blue glitter flakes. Just going to have a little play and see what they come out like.
Unusual, aren't they, with the line through.
How they turn out.
Tell you what, you've picked all your colours well. I'll give it
Who knows if they go together, but you know. And then I've got some of our blue pigment powder, which I think is a lovely shade of blue. So that's our blue. And then our white pigment. Just thought that might be quite nice to draw a little bit in of our white. But then what I tried out was I tried putting some of our blue with a little bit of our white because I wanted also to have a lighter shade of blue. So what I've done is I've just literally put our blue pigment in, and I've just put a slight bit of white pigment in just to create a slightly lighter version of our blue.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You can see that. So because I wanted a slightly lighter blue, I thought, well, I'll just try adding some of our white pigment and just lighten it up slightly.
Looks like a duckhead blue.
And then we've got some of this is a new product coming out soon, which is our silver metallic pigment. So we're also going to have a gold as well. So we're going to bring some gold and silver metallic pigments. I'm just going to have a play around with our silver and see what that ends up looking like.
I like that.
So yes,
Excellent.
We'll see.
We'll see. Watch this space.